They don't make noise. They don't chase headlines. They sit in silence, hidden behind tabs, rows, and columns. But make no mistake, Excel sheets speak. And the leaders who know how to listen, they build empires. We're not talking about formulas or formatting. We're talking about insight, interpretation, intelligence. Because behind every just another spreadsheet lies a conversation about your business, its pain points, its pulse, and its path forward. Most entrepreneurs get excited about the next big idea, the pitch deck, the packaging, the Instagram-worthy branding. But they glaze over when it's time to review the cash flow statement. They avoid the income report like it's a tax audit. They treat spreadsheets like they're for numbers people. And that, right there, is where the downfall begins. Because you can't lead what you don't understand, and you can't grow what you don't measure. The future of your business is coded into your Excel sheets, line by line, number by number, story by story. The question is, are you listening? Real business literacy isn't about being an accountant. It's about being a translator, reading numbers, hearing trends, and responding with strategic action. If vision is the fire, literacy is the map. It doesn't just show you where you are. It shows you why you're there and what to do next. In this series, we're going to decode the silence. We'll unpack how spreadsheets speak. We'll reveal what leaders see that others miss. And we'll teach you how to become the kind of founder who doesn't just make noise, but makes moves. Because Excel sheets don't lie, but they sure do whisper to the wise. Let's be honest. Most entrepreneurs weren't drawn to business because of spreadsheets. You were drawn to the vision, the freedom, the chance to build something that matters. You didn't sign up to become a financial analyst. But here's the truth nobody tells you loud enough. The numbers are not just tools. They are your most honest advisors. Every number has a story. That dip in revenue? It might be tied to a missed launch window. That spike in refunds? It's telling you your product didn't meet the promise. The rising expenses? Maybe your loyalty is costing your margins. See, we often say, trust your gut. But what happens when your gut is emotional, tired, or biased? That's when the numbers step in to tell the truth you might be afraid to face. I once knew a founder who swore their business was doing okay until we opened the Excel file. 3 months of hidden losses, overspending on ads, and a customer retention rate lower than expected. They didn't even know they were bleeding because they weren't listening. You don't have to be a math genius, but you do need to ask better questions. What is my cost per lead? What's my actual profit margin? Not just revenue. Where's my money quietly disappearing? Business literacy is not about loving spreadsheets. It's about respecting what they reveal. The most powerful CEOs, they don't just look at sheets. They study them. They don't ask, what's this number? They ask, what does this mean? They see numbers as